Sorry guys. Hey guys, I just got a package from Slimy Staff, so let's get into it. Sorry, I made my soccer outfit. But anyway, first I got some 2 notes. I think this one's a receipt. I don't know. I just think this one is, and this one's a note. But I'm just gonna open up the receipt. Oh, this one's the note. Dear Brooklyn, she spelled my name wrong, but that's okay. Thank you for buying my Instagram signs. Hope you enjoy the extras. And thank you for the extras, by the way. I subbed to you. That's funny. Thank you, though. I also subscribed to you, so you better go check out her channel. Her Instagram account is Slimy Staff. Her Pinterest account is Slime DIYs. Her YouTube account is Slimy Girl, I think. I don't know. It's either Slimy Gin or Slimy GIRL or Slimy Gin. But I'm just gonna say it's Slimy Girl. And then thank you for the note. Then this one's the receipt, I think. Or maybe there wasn't even a receipt. Maybe, yeah, this one's the receipt. Okay. It says Slimes, Chocolatey Crunch. She spelled chocolatey wrong, no offense. Chocolatey Crunch, Cotton Candy Swirl. She spelled swirl wrong. Lavender Pop, Laffy Taffy, Crunchy Goo, Bubble Grape. I was about to say bubbly. Bubble Grape, free. Really? You gave me something free. Bubble Bath Slime. Thank you for the free. It says the extras are Squishy Strawberry and Yogurt Slime. I think it's yogurt slime. And it says, sorry for misspelled words. She literally spelled words wrong. Maybe that was on accident, because I think everyone knows how to spell words. But I'm just going to keep this on me, so I know what slime I'm doing. And I think, first I'm going to open up the free slime, because this looks like a bubble bath, don't you guys think? It says clear, but she didn't give me a clear slime, so I think it's bubble bath. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it feels so cool. It's kind of sticky. Well, it's been in, like, my car. Not my car. Oh, my God. I'm not old enough to have a car. My mom's car. Basically my car, basically. I don't know what I'm saying. I got some activator here since it's actually really sticky. Like, I have activator always on my desk just in case, like... And also, you guys need to buy a slime package from her. Because I remember a long time ago, like, it was, like, 2016, like, it was probably in 2017. In 2017, I discovered slime. But anyway, she gave me a package online. Well, basically, I still had to pay for it. And this was all like $15-something, or probably less. But yeah, I bought a slime package from her, and it was the best, but I don't really remember that much of it. I'll try showing you one of the slimes that she gave me. I think I still have it somewhere. I probably do somewhere. But yeah, I love this one. It smells bad, but not all of them have to have scents. She said most of them will have scents, but not all of them. She said that the, okay, yeah, I really love this one. And let's see if it's actually clear. Whoa! Oh, it made a bubble. Yeah, I'm just going to put this slime away because it's actually really sticky. It's like sticking to my hands a lot, but I actually really love the free slime, so thank you for the free slime. Then, just put it away. I have to think which slime is probably which. Oh gosh, I have slime all over my hands, but that's okay. I think this one's my Laffy Taffy, or this probably is. So I'm gonna think this is my extra slime, the yogurt slime, because it's pink with glitter in it. She said like there's gonna be like a slime with glitter in it, and I don't think any other slime has like a lot of glitter in it. So maybe this is the free slime. Oh my God, it smells like yogurt. It literally smells like yogurt. Oh my God, it smells so good. And guys, I literally almost got slime on my bed yesterday. I know I almost did, so close call. Woo! Yeah, thank you for the extra. And she also gave me, I think this was supposed to be a squishy strawberry. Because look, it says squishy strawberry right there. Maybe she messed up and gave me a lemon, or she messed up on the writing. I love it. Thank you for the extra. Oh. Yeah, thank you so much for the slime, and I really like it. And thank you for the free slime, basically. Ooh. Okay, I think I know which is which. I think. This one is the Laffy Taffy. It also says on the bottom right there. Okay. Yep, bubble bath and yogurt slime. It says on the bottom. Yeah, this one has a, oh my god, it smells like Starburst. But it doesn't smell like Laffy Taffy though, but that's okay. Actually, the window's open. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:01 p.m.
Ooh, I have like 44 more minutes. But yeah, I love the Laffy Taffy slime that I got. It has like some sort of jewels in it. Okay. Yogurt slime. This one's in Sharpie, as you can see. Why did I just say yogurt? That says chocolatey crunch on the bottom of it. Oh my god, it smells. Oh my god, it smells like literally like chocolate ice cream. Like, it literally smells like it. It's probably crunchy because of the beads inside of it. There's like colorful beads inside of it. I forgot to do some ASMR with it. So let's just do this real quick. Yeah, I think this is the chocolatey crunch, and yet I'll just, oh my god, that was a big fail. I just put the paper inside it. So I probably won't need the paper anymore. But yeah, the slime is actually, oh gosh, I need 2 fingers, 2 hands. That's not sticky. But yeah, I love the smell of it. I forgot to rate it. This one I rate a 3 out of 10. This one I rate a 5 out of 10. This one I rate a 10 out of 10. And this one I probably rate like an 8 out of 10. So, yeah. Us! I'm in a itchy leg for some reason just now. Yeah, I'm glad I bought this time as well because I love it. I might have to package in a different container because look, it's like breaking. I love the squishy that you gave me. This one is probably the crunchy goo. Or actually, I feel like this one's the cotton candy swirl. Yeah, I feel like this. She told me the cotton candy swirl is thick. Let's see if this one's not thick. It's definitely thick. It's like thicker than the other ones like that I've opened. Ooh, it has like purple or either black or purple glitter in it. Oh my god, the crunch. And she said that the best slime would probably be cotton. It says right there. And it says cotton candy. And this one's really nice. Oh, it has purple or it's either black or purple glitter. I think it's purple. But actually, it's probably thicker than the others, I feel like. She's told me to make thick slime. All she did was leave it out for a couple hours and then like come back to it and it'd actually be like thicker than. It's actually pretty. The texture to it smells really good. Oh, it smells really nice. It doesn't smell like cotton candy. Like, goodness gracious, how I say this. So, okay. So basically, it's like it doesn't smell like cotton candy, but you know it's cotton candy, if you know what I mean. Like, if you know what I mean. Like, you know, it doesn't smell like cotton candy, but you just know what it is. Ooh, I made a bubble. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I love this one. I love the thickness of it. Oh, and I forgot to make a swirl with it. Damn, I feel like it's... There we go. Make a swirl of it. Yeah, I really love this episode. I'm glad I bought this one. Thank you for slime. Yep, cotton candy. This one's probably the... Oh, it's blue. Wait. Sorry, my eye. There's something in my eye. It's purple, but then it's like maybe it's like kind of lost its color. Oh, now it's like purplish. See? Ooh, this one smells good. It smells like lavender. Well, of course, because it's my lavender slime. What?
Get ready, let's go.
It's only 45 more minutes. Why? And there it is. Smells good. Looks good. It actually feels really nice. Here, this one. That scared me. This one is the last purple one. So I think it's my bubbly grape slime, whatever it was. And she said that this one's a glitter slime. She said she used like some sort of crazy clay. She said that she used like Deso clay, but it was kind of done like a crazy clay. And she also said that she didn't put enough in it. That's why it's not that buttery. It smells really good, actually. It smells actually really good. For some reason, it smells like bubble gum. Like a bubble gum. That's okay, I still love it. I thought I was gonna like scent it like plum or grape or something. Not like bubble gum. That's okay. I could call this my princess bubble gum. I love this one. It's like a buttery kind of texture. Like, I don't really want to, like, let's try swirling it. It's going to be hard to swirl since it's so big. Sometimes when I have, like, regular slime and big slimes, I just swirl like that. I swirl, like, when I make really fast, but I'm not trying to be mean. But it actually doesn't really feel like butter slime. I actually don't think she used it. She must, maybe she put like baby oil in it. Okay, I really love this one. And I'm glad I bought it. Well, and this one is probably the crunchy goo. That's the last. It smells weird. It smells like a fruit, but I don't know what kind of. It's not stretchy that much. Wait, let's see here. It has activator on it. And it smells like Tide. But what I'm really disappointed in, she said that she used borax. And that's why I basically bought her slimes. Because I love slime with borax in it. And it smells like Tide. It's not in that strict here. Wait, ready? Like it rips. This is bad, I'm sorry. This one I rate 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. This one I rate about 2, I guess. It's okay. Okay, but guys, that's the end of the video. And thank you, Slimy Staff, for selling these slimes. And make sure to subscribe to her and